Hello, I'm Jonathan Davidian, and today we'll be talking about how points are scored in archery. So first, we have the common archery target. The target faces are divided into five colors, as you can see here. We have gold, red, blue, black, and then white. Each color is divided into half by a thin line you can see in each segment, and it gives us 10 scoring zones. The scoring values for each color from the center out are 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and so on and so forth. Now, in the middle, actually, now there are a few exceptions for each score. So, first, in the middle, we have 10. If you hit it on the line, on the thin line that separates each segment, that score is disavowed. It doesn't count, essentially. Of course, if you hit outside the target, you don't get any points for that. And additionally, some targets have an X or a plus, as you can see here in our example. Um, in fact, actually, there's actually 11 scoring zones, with the 10 ring being divided into two. So this outer ring gives us 10, but in the middle, it's divided into what we call the X ring. The X ring still scores 10 points, but any arrow scored in this area is indicated on our scorecard using an X. The X's are later added up and used as tiebreakers in most competitions. It should be noted that the X ring is used in competition except for indoor or compound. That's just the one exception. And next we have finally we have the score sheet. So in here we have each rounds, then we have five arrows, and that gives us the end score, and of course we are keeping our X's. Each scorecard is usually scored either by the archer or another designated scorer, depending on what kind of competition you're doing. And on these scorecards, you're also going to put M's or X's. M's means it's a miss, meaning you either hit the line or you hit outside the target. And here is an example of when we have an X, where the archer hit exactly in the target and will be later used in a tiebreaker. So if for this scorecard here, we have six arrows, and they combine them into progressive totals until it gives us our distance total for the competition. And that's it. That is scoring for archery.